Hold tight, folks. We're diving into a side-splitting construction fail roundup. From runaway wheelbarrows to crumbling beams, these clips are pure comedy. Like the video, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more hilarity. Thanks for joining the fun. Let's get started.
What's up, Chuckle Champs? Weren't those construction clips just pure insanity? Did my worksite warriors have you howling so loud you woke up the neighbors? Don't even think about leaving. The next moments are so hilarious, they'll make a steel beam snort with laughter. Expect workers inventing new ways to trip and tools pulling pranks that make a clown jealous. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the punchline to the universe's best joke. Ha ha! Hit that subscribe button, share your wildest reactions, and let's build a laughter empire. All right, that's it for today. If you're not laughing, I owe you a high five. Thanks for tuning in. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Don't miss it. Ciao.